Stay tuned to see how I recover from this failed style. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to video number 2 in my Valentine's Day series. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing this U-Part Human Hair Body Wave Wig. So again, this is a U-Part wig. It comes with an adjustable strap and clips. The thing that I love about this wig, not only is it absolutely gorgeous, but the clips that it comes with are like clips that you have on clip-ins, which makes it so much easier to secure it to your hair. So I have put my hair into 2 jumbo braids, and I'm just going to pin them up in the back, and I've left some leave out. I decided to go with a side part for this U-part wig, so let's see how this turns out. So I'm just starting off by opening up the clips so that I can attach them to my hair. Now I have done a U-part wig on my channel before, but it was with more textured hair. So I am kind of nervous to see how I'm going to blend my natural hair with this texture. Okay, so we definitely got to go back in and adjust the clips. So as you can see, the struggle is real, so I'm gonna go off camera and try to fix this. So what I discovered when I went off camera is that I did not have enough leave out, so the spacing for the U part did not work. So I went in and added some more leave out. So now we're gonna try this one more time. Much better. So I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do to help my hair blend without having to straighten my hair, because I'm definitely not trying to straighten my hair just to rock a U-part wig. So let's see what we can come up with. So I decided to use my waveformers. Now these waveformers I have used before, and I'll link that video up in the cards above. These waveformers are a perfect way to stretch your hair with no heat. So hopefully this works out. So I'm going in and detangling my hair, and then I'm going to go in with my Theraveda Organics mousse to help with the setting of the waveformers. So I went ahead and slayed my edges, and I am praying to the hair gods that these waveformers help me blend my hair with this wig. So here we are, ready to take these wave formers down, and I'm going to say another prayer. Lord, please help me. Can we take a moment to recognize how bomb this looks? If it doesn't blend with this wig, I will definitely be using these wave formers real soon. So far, I have high hopes that this is going to blend, but we shall see. So I'm going in and separating my hair, and I'm realizing that I probably should have added some of the wig hair to the wave former with my hair to help it to blend a little more. So yeah, it's a no for me, dog. What can I do to fix this? So I grab my foam again, and I'm going to try to add some of the foam and see if we can blend these two textures a little bit better. So the hair gods are definitely not on my side, and these textures are not blending at all. So I decided to pull out my Wet Line Extreme and try to slick my hair down as much as possible to try to help it blend with the wig hair. Let me know in the comment section what you would have done to fix this style. So here is my final look. Definitely not the style that I was going for, but it still works. So I slicked my hair down with the wig hair and just pinned it over to the side for a cute little Valentine's side look. Let me know in the comments how I did. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my uploads, and look out for the rest of my Valentine's Day series.